Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can do it directly using our contact list, so we can block the number which we've got currently saved, or we can do it by using, let's say, the settings. And of course I'll show you both options. Let's begin with the contacts. So let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap. Hello? Okay. Now let's tap on block contact, and as you can see, that's kind of easy. This contact right now is blocked. We've got this characteristic icon, so you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. And the second way to block a number is, as I said, by using the settings, but the contact settings. So here we have to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the blocked. And as you can see, this is our blacklist. We can tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got our number which we've just added from our contacts. We can unblock it here just by tapping on this kind of trash bin icon. After tapping on it, we can change the number. What's more, we can add new number, just tap on it, and here we can do it manually, which simply means that we don't have to have the contact saved, the number saved, but we can just enter it. So just tap on that, and as you can see, the same situation, it will appear on the blacklist. We can remove it, of course, just by tapping on this icon here and confirming it. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.